Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly cover VeChain, and I'm gonna do a different analysis for VeChain today, and we can see that the price, we had this support level, it broke down. We ended up breaking this level of important 0.618 support level, and then came down. Okay, now I told you that we had this support. You can see at the moment we are trying to break it down, and in the weekly time frame and coming down. But let's see, but we know in the monthly time frame that it is creating somewhat of a beautiful falling wedge formation. And let's see if Bitcoin does break the 38,400 level. What can VeChain do, and if it can break this resistance, or where it is going in the long term. Okay, so let's just zoom out and look at VeChain. So if you look at it in its previous run, VeChain, okay, and you measure this move over here from the top to the bottom, okay, and you can see VeChain came all the way down to, where the bottom was. This was the Corona dump, so, but still we're going to take a look at it, okay. VeChain came down to in between the 1.618 level and 2 level Fibonacci level when it was in this downtrend, okay. And then it found support at the 1.414 level. Okay, once it found support in the monthly time frame, we started picking up. Okay, and now if you just bring the RSI, okay, you can see in the RSI we had this, and we had this bullish divergence that took place for VeChain in this run. Okay, so you can see this bullish divergence taking place when the price was going down, and this was in the largest time frame. So this was an indication a big rally towards the upside is gonna start. Okay, so this was an indication for basically VeChain or VeChain holders. Now if you take this off, okay, and you look at this, we know this was the high and this was a resistance area, okay? Now you can simply just take this and you can measure this move right from here, and you can see where this 0.618 level was sitting. Okay, watch this video till the end because I think VeChain in the long term is trying to get to this price target. Okay, so this was the 0.618 level. As soon as you broke the 0.618 level in the monthly time frame, you saw this beautiful candle go up, hit the previous high, came back down, held the 0.618, the golden ratio, and then the rally started towards the upside. Okay, now another indication it had, okay, another indication, oops, why isn't it going? And another indication it had, it made this ascending triangle formation. Okay, you cannot ignore this ascending triangle right over here. So one indication before it started wanted to see. Now a lot of people would see this as a bearish pattern, okay? But again, the breakout didn't happen towards the downside, and then you had a bullish divergence in the monthly time frame. Okay, so that was the biggest indicator. As soon as you broke this level of resistance right over here, this candle in the monthly time frame, this was the indication a reversal is going to take place. Okay, now we went and hit the 0.6 this level of resistance that was sitting right over here, while this was the 0.618 area. You started, as soon as you broke this previous high, momentum started picking up towards the upside. Now if you go back, okay, take this off, and measure this move over here. Okay, let's just take that off, this move, okay, and go and check where did the price go. The price again went to the area of 2 level and the 1.618. Okay, 2 level and the 1.618 area. So now we know that, now we take this off. We know that when this fall happened, okay, this fall happened, that was the supporting areas 2 and the 1.618, and then we got support at the 1.414 level. That's where the candle denied to close below that. Okay, now if we go here, we are in this falling wedge formation. We know that This is the level of two Fibonacci level and 1.618. That's where the price went, got rejected, came back down. Now look where the 1.41 is. Look where the 1.272 is. Okay. I hope you're getting this. Okay. So now the price is coming down and we are in this falling wedge formation. Okay. Now let's say the price comes over here. Okay. This where the previous high is. The reason I say that is because if you measure this move now, this previous dump that it had, this is where the 1.618 level is sitting. Okay. So I hope you get this. 1.618 level is sitting right over here. You take this off now and you put this over here. Okay, this is where the 1.618 level is sitting. So if let's say it comes and holds, and this is where the wedge is ending as well, where the apex is getting very close to it, and this is where the previous highs are for VECHAIN, okay, where the breakout point was. Let's say the price comes over here. I'm not saying it will, but I'm just analyzing this if Bitcoin breaks down, okay? If it breaks down, this is where the 1.618 level is sitting. Okay, let's say it does this. Maybe it could find a reversal before that. Okay, you just have to look for these bullish. Let's take this off. This bullish divergences that would take place. Okay, in the monthly time frame. If it comes over here, okay, and finds support at this 0.618 area, and in between the 2 and the 1.618 area, I'll measure that one more time. Okay, right over here, 1.618 and 2 level is right over here. And let's say this is the bottom, okay, at this price level. And then you measure this move right from here to right from here, okay? Because you can see this is basically the same move that happened here, okay? Bottomed out, and then we measured this move right from here, okay? Now you can see where the 0.618 is sitting right over here where we're getting rejected from. So this measurement, I believe, is pretty accurate in my viewpoint, where we're finding support at the 0.382 at this level, okay? Now, if we were to say it's going to go back and hit the levels of 1.618 and 2 level in between that, look where that is sitting. It's in between, somewhere over here. In between the 0.89 cents to all the way to $2.27. Okay, this is where that price target is sitting. Now let's take this off because it's VECHAIN Fibonacci level is basically playing in between 1.618 and 2 level. It drops, it goes and finds support in those Fibonacci levels. Whenever it drops here, it might be 1.618 and 2 level as well. Whenever it goes up, it's coming in the same level. So if let's say it comes here, finds support, and then rallies towards the upside, I mean, I could be completely wrong and I'm not a financial advisor, okay, but I'm just saying that if Bitcoin doesn't find a reversal, then obviously we are respecting this falling wedge formation. And let's say if this happens, then obviously the Elliott wave theory that we have going on, okay, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the fourth wave that's coming down, and fourth wave doesn't break this wave over here, point of connection over here, and then the fifth wave that's gonna happen. Okay, so because the fifth wave is basically uh, uh, basically in between the third and the first wave. Okay, this wave and this wave is medium sized. Okay, and so this level, I think, around this price target, VECHAIN can certainly hit it if this analysis and it respects the 1.618 and the 0. The 2 level, because clearly you can see, you cannot ignore this fact that when VECHAIN had this dump, okay, right over here, this is the level it came, and held support at. Okay, you can see 1.618 and 2 level right over here, and then 1.414 held support. Okay, I'll do this again. When we went above here, okay, this area, we came all the way up to again 2 level and 1.618. Okay, now if we go down, because this dump that happened, this is where the 1.618 and 2 level are sitting. Okay, so if it finds support over here, then we can go all the way up from here to measurement right over there. Okay, and you can see where the 0.618 is sitting. That's where the rejection point is, and then the price level can potentially get to 90 cents to $2.31 in between this area. Okay, so I hope this brought you some insight, because I think this can be possible, because everything is looking pretty beautiful for VeChain for the long term. Okay, but this is it. I just wanted to point this out. If this video brought you some new information and you think this can play out the way it is projecting in the Fibonacci, kindly let me know, and hit the like button if you like this prediction. Okay, but thank you so much, guys, and have a good day, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.